Welcome to Neelam Zone, and today I am preparing a nutritious and protein rich soya chunk salad. I have taken about 2 cups of soya chunks. I have boiled them well. You can see they are soft. Just drain all the water. And let's check the ingredients. 1.5 tablespoon of Chat Masala, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 chilies diced into pieces, coriander to garnish. And here I have taken half a lemon. I'll require the lemon juice. And I've cut the onion into pieces, 1 onion, 1 tomato and 1 cucumber into pieces together, and I've mixed them. So let's start. Add the chaat masala into the soya chunks. Add the chilies. Add salt as per taste. Now squeeze the lemon into the masala and the soya chunks well. Mix it from all sides. Now with the help of the spoon, I am mixing them together. Now it's getting a bit harder, so I am mixing it with hand. So now you can see it is well coated. All the masala and the lemon juice is well coated with the soya chunks. As the chunks are coated, now I am going to add chopped onion, tomato and cucumber into the soya chunks. These are raw, so this will add fiber to the dish. Toss them well into the chunks. From all the sides, mix them well. And our protein rich soya chunk salad is ready. I'm garnishing them with the chopped coriander leaves. And it is also delicious. So thanks for watching my channel.